Alright, so we're gonna prep the new intake. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the EGR, like all this EGR crap, and then we'll drill and tap the holes that it creates. We'll tap this one up here, and we'll like take this off, and then we'll wire wheel the whole thing clean, get it prepped for paint. Yeah, we'll probably lay down some primer, and then I gotta figure out what color I'm painting it. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and start getting this thing prepped. It's a 3500 intake off of, it was like some sort of, I think it was a G6. I'm gonna be modifying. I'm just gonna clean it up, and it's gonna be going on my 3400. Video is gonna be coming soon on using the wide open throttle technologies LX5 adapter to 3500 or 3400 intake. So that'll be coming soon. So look forward to that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to clean this fucker up because it looks stupid with this stupid EGR crap. You don't need EGR. So let's clean this up. Alright, so we took out the two studs here, took out this bolt here, took out the map sensor, took out this nipple, I guess we'd call it. So yeah, now we'll cut off the EGR crap. So here's what she looks like before. Alright, so we're doing investigative cutting because I've actually never done this with the 3500 intake. I've only done it with the 34. So it looks like there's a port here. We'll have to drill it out and then plug it. And then we also have one on the bottom here. So I had to like cut off. I had to cut off this piece. Then obviously we cut this whole piece off, which was on there like something. Oh, like this. So it was on there like this. I have no idea. But yeah, so this got cut off as well. But this is basically what we're getting down to. Now I'm just gonna flap this all clean, and then we'll go about drilling the holes and then tapping them to MPTs, and I got MPT plugs, so hopefully I got the right ones. So yeah, but let's keep going here. Alright, so here's where we're at. We got this guy cleaned off, got this cleaned, and that's all cleaned. Now we'll just drill the hole there, drill the hole there, and then tap them, and put the plug in. I'll probably JB weld them in because don't want them fuckers falling out. That'd be not ideal. So, but yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, so this is pretty much what we ended up with. I cleaned it up. Looks damn good. And then we ended up shaving off everything, and this is what we got left. This will get cut off and then just kind of flatten it. We got one down on the bottom too. That'll get cut off and flattened. I have to get a new plug for this one because I went too far with welding it. It kind of fucked the shit out of it, so I gotta get another one of these. Then once I plug this one, then we'll cut that one off and then we'll shave that one down too. But yeah, and then so next will be just paint and decide what color I'm doing. But yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.